Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to run Selenium automation without downloading Chrome driver separately. Instead, we use the Chrome remote debugging mode. So Selenium just connects to the existing Chrome browser. This means your login and your cookies and session will be preserved. So no need to log in every time. Okay, so let's get to the coding section. Okay, so these are the libraries I need to install first. I need to import the OS, and I also need to import the system sys. Okay, and I also need to import the Selenium. Okay, so from Selenium import WebDriver. So I'm going to import the WebDriver as well. So let's say from Selenium import WebDriver. Okay, so if you are a beginner and you want to install Selenium, just use pip install Selenium. Just use pip install Selenium. I already have Selenium installed already, so I don't need to do this again. So Selenium is already installed, so I don't need to do this again. Okay, so let's continue. After we import the WebDriver, we also need to import some other libraries, which is the option. So from Selenium as well, from Selenium.WebDriver Chrome. We are using Chrome. Dot option. So import options. Okay. So I think these are for now. Okay, we also need to import the subprocess that we will use to connect to the debugging mode for the Chrome driver. So okay, the next thing I need to do is to create a directory whereby my Chrome drivers will be stored, whereby my Chrome profile will be stored. So I will be using the main directory whereby this file is located. So I'll be using this main directory. Okay. Chrome driver will be my Chrome profile will be saved here. So I can use main directory. Main directory. os.paths.join. Open bracket sys.path. So it's going to save it to this path, to the profile. It's going to save it to this folder, the web automation folder. So that's why I'm using the main directory should be this. So this means that it's going to save it to the web automation folder where this Chrome profile is located. Okay, so now the next thing I need to do is to create a function. Let's say dev open Chrome profile. Open Chrome profile. Okay, so then I will use subprocess subprocess.popen. Popen. Okay. Then I'll create a list. Then the subprocess will start. We use the function start. It means it should start. It should open a Chrome. It should open a Chrome browser. Okay. Okay. And okay, remote debugging. Remote debugging. Okay. This is for the remote debugging. port, remote debugging port. This is supposed to be remote debugging port, rather. Remote debugging port. The remote debugging port should be, let's give it 8989. Okay. We can also do for user data directories. This is the directory whereby the Chrome profile will be saved into. So we can say user data directory. Okay, so this one will be equals to plus the path os.path dot join the main directory. This is where I want it to save the main directory, and I want to give it a name. The main directory, and the name will be Chrome profile. Chrome profile. Okay, so that will be the name directory for it. Okay, this should be all for this. Then okay, let's run this script now, but before that, let's use shell. After we have done all this configuration, the next thing we should do is to close this. Then we say shell equals true. So it will run in the background with the command prompt. I think that's how it works. So I think this is all for it. Then we close this as well. I think we should close this already. Okay, we've closed this already. Let's cancel this. Close this already. Okay, so our code is properly cleaned. Okay, so the next thing for us to do is to we just open a new Chrome profile. This is just to open a new Chrome profile. So this is it. I've run it, open Chrome profile. So the next thing is for us, let's check it out, let's test it out. Okay, option opt is equals to the option I created. So let's say opt.add experimental option. So now our driver is connecting to the debugging port. So our driver will need to connect to the opened Chrome profile. So this function is just to open the Chrome profile. Open a new Chrome profile as long as you have a Chrome browser installed already. So this function will open a new Chrome profile. So now this function that I'm writing now, this code that I'm writing now, is going to connect to the opened Chrome profile with this port. So that's what I want to do now. So add option.add experimental option. So then we say debugger. Okay, debugger address. So debugger address is localhost, and the port is 8989. Okay, now so that is it for the add experimental option. But the next thing for us is to create our drivers. So we just say driver. This one is normal is equals to WebDriver dot Chrome. We are using Chrome. So WebDriver dot Chrome. It should be Chrome. Then we just insert our options to be these options that we've created. That is all. We don't need a Chrome. We don't need a Chrome extension or anything to run our Selenium automation. Okay, so we don't need any other Chrome driver to run our Selenium automation. So the next thing for us to do is just the function is ready. So we just need to just say let's test it out. Let's say driver.get driver.get let's say vimeo.com. Okay, now let's run our script and check it out, and I will show you that this can save this Chrome profile will be able to save our logins, our section, and every other thing. So we don't need to be using a section key to log in. So this also can save your logins and can save all your sections and your cookies. Driver.get. Let's test it in Vimo, HTTPS. .com. Okay, let's test with this. Okay, so driver.get. So let's test with this website. Okay, so now let's run our automation. Okay, I think I put a command here as well. So just take our code out and let's make sure everything is working properly. Okay, as a command here, everything is fine. So now let's run our automation. So Python, we should run the Chrome profile. On Chrome profile. The Chrome profile is the name of my file. So those okay, Python run Chrome profile. Okay, let's wait for it to run. Okay, you can see it opened a new Chrome profile for us. So as you can see, it opened a new Chrome profile for us. Okay, and as you can see here, it's already opened the website. So I think we are good on this. Okay, let me try to, okay, on the first use, let me try to sign in. Let me try to sign in to my Google account. Then I run the automation again. Let's see if it's going to open the Chrome profile again. Okay. So let's check if it's going to open the Vimeo with already login Google account. So this is already login Vimeo account. So as you can see, I already logged in. So now let's close this section, this browser. So let's run our automation again and let's check it out. Okay, so let me run my automation again. Let's close this browser. So let me run my automation again and let's check it out again. You should notice that it's not going to open a new Chrome profile for us. Okay, let's check it out. As you can see, it's not opening a new Chrome profile for us. You can see it's already logged in with my Gmail account. So this is the best way for you to run Selenium and even keep sections and cookies. As you can see here as well, you're supposed to have a Chrome profile created already. Okay, the Chrome profile is not yet showing, but it's still going to show. It's supposed to show us a Chrome profile here. Maybe I need to refresh my file location. Okay, it's already showed here. So as you can see, we already have a Chrome profile. So this is the profile that is going to be using. So we don't need to use an external WebDriver or using a login section or using a login cookies for any other thing. So this is the best way to use. So, and this is how I automate my Selenium without ChromeDriver setup. So if you find this helpful, drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me know in the comments section what automation tricks you would like me to cover in the next topic. So thank you for watching my video.